Setting up a customer loyalty program in Monday.com might seem a bit tricky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll see how simple it can actually be. We'll break it down step by step, so stay tuned till the end, because I'll also introduce a great alternative that could even better serve your goals with an exclusive offer for our viewers. Let's jump in. First, you need to start with a clear structure. In Monday.com, you'll begin by creating a new board that's dedicated to your loyalty program. This board will serve as the central place for tracking your customers' progress, rewards, and actions. You'll want to use a template that aligns with your program's goals, and Monday.com offers templates for tracking projects or workflows that you can easily adjust for loyalty programs. The next thing you'll need is columns for each aspect of the customer journey. A good place to start is with columns for customer names, points or rewards, purchase history, and engagement. You can track customer actions like signing up for newsletters, making purchases, or referring friends. Each action will increase their points, which you'll define based on your program rules. Next, you'll want to automate a few things. Monday.com's automations will save you a lot of time here. Set up automations that trigger when a customer reaches a certain number of points, or when they take a particular action like completing a purchase. These automations can notify your team or even send an email to the customer, thanking them for their loyalty and telling them what rewards they've earned. The fourth thing is visualization. This is where Monday.com really stands out with its dashboards. You can create a custom dashboard to visualize your customer loyalty data. This might include charts showing how many customers are at each loyalty tier, or how much total loyalty points your customers have accumulated. This will give you a quick overview of how well your program is doing and where you can improve. Another feature worth using is Monday.com's integrations. You can connect your loyalty program board to other apps like email marketing tools, CRMs, or even your e-commerce platform to automate syncing of customer data. This integration is crucial if you want your loyalty program to scale up seamlessly without manual data entry. Now, with all these features set up, your loyalty program is up and running. But here's where I need to be honest. While Monday.com provides great flexibility and a range of features, it might not be the best platform specifically for running a customer loyalty program. It's really designed more for project management and workflows. This brings me to the alternative I mentioned earlier. For a more dedicated solution, consider using a platform that specializes in customer loyalty programs. These tools often have pre-built features designed specifically for customer engagement, rewards tracking, and integrations with e-commerce platforms. Now, before you go, remember that we've partnered with one of the best alternatives for loyalty programs, and if you check out the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial. This is only available through our link, and I truly think you'll find it even more tailored for your needs when it comes to setting up a customer loyalty program. If you're looking for a more streamlined, automated loyalty solution, make sure to check out that link and let us know what you think in the comments.